Ever stare at your bathroom, dreading the cleaning? The stains, soap scum, grime. It just won't budge, right? Well, what if I told you that with just a few simple hacks, your bathroom could shine in minutes? Too good to be true? Stick around and I'll show you how easy it can be. But first, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you're ready to transform your bathroom today. We all want a clean bathroom, but the reality? Scrubbing, wiping, and still no results. The stains don't go away. The soap scum keeps coming back. It feels like a never-ending battle. But what if there was an easier way? You don't need hours or expensive products. Just a few simple hacks can change everything. Let's start with the basics. Baking soda and vinegar. Two common ingredients that can save you hours of cleaning. Take your shower head, for example. Filled with mineral deposits, right? Take a plastic bag, fill it with vinegar, and tie it around the shower head. Leave it overnight, and in the morning, those deposits will be gone with just a quick wipe. For grime on your sink or bathtub, sprinkle baking soda, add vinegar, and watch it bubble. It cuts through grime without any hard scrubbing. Magic, right? We all know those hard-to-reach areas. The corners, behind the toilet, under the sink. Here's the trick. Use a microfiber cloth with dish soap and warm water. Microfiber traps dust and grime like nothing else, and these spots will be spotless in minutes. Soap scum on shower doors or tiles. Here's a life-changing hack. Mix equal parts dish soap and white vinegar, spray it on the scum, and let it sit for 10 minutes. The soap scum will break down, and a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth will leave it sparkling clean. No scrubbing required. No one likes streaks on their bathroom mirror. But here's how you fix it. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Then use a crumpled newspaper to wipe it down. Yes, newspaper. It won't leave lint behind and gives you that crystal clear finish. Grout lines getting dirty again? Mix baking soda and hydrogen peroxide into a paste, apply it to the grout, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Grab an old toothbrush, scrub gently, and watch the grime disappear. Your grout will look brand new with minimal effort. Now that the cleaning is done, add a few fresh towels, a couple of neatly placed toiletries, and maybe a candle or two. A clean bathroom is one thing, but a fresh one feels like a spa. For more powerful tips, step-by-step guides, and home care hacks that actually work, come join our community. Get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products and emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a few surprise extras. Visit us at www.school.com. The link is in the description below. Bonus! You'll also get free access to our private community made for women, where we share real-life tips, expert advice, and keep each other motivated through the mess. This isn't just another download, it's your fast pass to smarter, stress-free home care. See you inside. There you have it. Simple hacks that'll make your bathroom sparkle with minimal effort. Cleaning doesn't have to be hard. It's about working smarter, not harder. Try these tricks out, and I promise, your bathroom will never look the same again. Dramatic pause. So, are you ready for a bathroom makeover? Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more game-changing hacks. See you in the next one.